Hey guys, it's Julie with Julie's Designs. I am here to do one last Halloween project. I thought I was done with Halloween, but I saw a picture of something and I thought I can make that and that would look great on my house. Now, I couldn't find exactly what I wanted. I was kind of confined to Walmart and a Dollar Tree. I wish there was a Hobby Lobby in my town, but there's not. So what I have is 3 items and I'm going to turn those 3 items into a super cool Halloween decoration for the front of my house. What I got was these baskets from Walmart. They were $1. And then this was the only thing I bought that I wasn't happy with. I wanted a skeleton, but I really wanted like a bigger 3D skeleton. So this is what they had at the Dollar Tree. So this is what I'm going to work with. So I have 2 of these. I have 4 baskets, 2 skeletons, and then I have these chains from the Dollar Tree. I got 2 of these. So I'm going to make 2 sets of each thing. And then I got this at the Dollar Tree too. I couldn't help it. How cute are these? I hadn't seen them before. They're little bone bats and they hang upside down. So the awning outside of my outside kitchen, I'm going to put these there and they'll look super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show y'all what I'm going to make out of these 3 items. I spray painted the baskets using a matte black spray paint that I had on hand. You want to spray paint both the inside and the outside of the baskets. 1 coat of paint should be enough to cover the white. It doesn't need to be perfect. You just want to make sure that it's mostly black and not too much white showing through. Also spray painted the chain so that everything would look the same. Then I went back with some gold spray paint and just kind of spritzed over the baskets and the chain to give it a more metal look. Alright, so now I'm on to the next step. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my drill and I'm going to put 2 holes in the top of one of the baskets. That would have been amazing if they would have had black baskets already, but they did not. Okay, I need some scissors. I was thinking black zip ties would have been amazing for this next part, but I cannot find any in my workshop. So we're going to go with just some black string. Okay. So you want to put 1 in through. We're going to open up our skeleton here. And then I'm going to tie him. Oh no, his head fell off. I can see this thing is going to be a pain in the butt. Definitely going to be looking for an upgrade. I was even thinking like some toddler-sized dolls or something would be cool if I can find that throughout the year, like maybe at a garage sale or something. Okay, so you're gonna see what I'm doing in a minute. So you want your skeleton hanging in there, and then we're going to attach this with the other side of the string, and then I'm gonna tie it tightly. Okay, it's nice and tight on there. I'm just going to cut the extra off. I put a lot more than I needed, but I wanted to make sure. Okay, can you see where I'm going with this? So that's the top. The bottom goes like this. All right, I'm going to have to kind of fix him up because he's a little big. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Why don't we stick his feet out? That would be funny, huh? Give me those feet. There we go. needs to stick out. There we go. Yeah, that'd be cute. Hands and feet sticking out. I really wish this thing was more of like a 3D. That would be so cute. So this one's 3 foot. So this fits good. Like, I kind of like the hands and feet hanging out. That's going to make it look cool. So I will be looking for a 3 foot something, a 3 foot skeleton, a 3 foot real life person, real life child. That would be so cool. Okay, so all I'm going to do is tie it together in a few spots so that way it stays together. Now, at the Dollar Tree, I wanted to get 2 smaller baskets, and I was going to make a larger one like this to put in the front of my house, and then I wanted to make 2 smaller ones to put in the landscaping. And I'm 100% positive they have smaller ones at the Dollar Tree, but they did not have them tonight. So that's what I would like to do, is make more of these and then have them in different sizes using different size baskets. And I think this would look good in my landscaping. So this one, I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to hang it. But the smaller ones, what I was going to do was get like a landscaping hook, like a pot hook that goes into the ground, and to hang it from there. And that would have looked really cute in my landscaping. So this project ended up costing me, it was $2 for the baskets, $1 for the skeleton, and $1 for the chain. And I think this looks pretty expensive, especially when it's going to be hanging up. It's going to look great. Okay, so I just put 4 in. And, oh no, look, he died in his cage. All right, I'm going to go hang this up and see what it looks like in my house. I can't wait. When I started making this, I didn't think about how I was going to attach it to my house. So the idea I came up with was to put rice in a Ziploc bag. I tied it up, then tied the chain to the Ziploc bag. And then I threw that into my gutter to make it stay. Kind of crazy, but it worked out. And then the basket and the skeleton was so light. So I also had to make a little bean bag to put in it to keep it way down so it didn't fly so much in the wind. So I just got a smaller Ziploc bag, put some rice in it, and then I put some black fabric around it so that way it would blend in with the basket. But I already have an idea for next year. I'm going to make a bean bag that's the same size as the bottom of the basket. So I'll cut out 2 pieces of fabric in a circle the same size as the bottom of the basket, and then you hot glue the edges and just put some rice in there and then close up the little hole. And that'll make the perfect size bean bag that's going to sit at the bottom of the basket and weigh it down, and you will not be able to see it. But for this year, this worked out just fine, but I'll make something better next year. I wanted to show y'all what I did with the little bats. They have little hooks on their feet, so they just hooked right onto the awning. You could also hook them onto gutters. Y'all, look how cute. Oh my God. I impressed my own self with these things. They look so good. I love them. I wish my stucco was painted all the way because that black would really pop against the lighter color. But you know, there's only so many hours in a day. So my kids are super excited when they got off the bus and saw these hanging up. So my plan was to have those 2 big ones hanging and then to have 2 smaller ones right here. But I couldn't find the smaller laundry baskets at my Dollar Tree. But I was going to hang them from like these little hooks. So that's an idea if you don't have a place to hang bigger ones. Get the smaller baskets from the Dollar Tree. And you can do they'll probably be about half the size of these. I'm very happy with how they look. definitely makes a statement. I think that's why I love decorating for Halloween so much, because you can really make something really cool for really cheap. Please like and subscribe to Julie's Designs and Signs for more DIY, inspiration, and home decor.
Thanks for watching and give this video a big